Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Sunday. We're back from Bug Jam. It was a really good show. Met quite a few subscribers. Met a couple guys from Puerto Rico. I think one of them's from Puerto Rico, lives in Orlando, I believe. And then right as we were leaving, and his buddy was from Puerto Rico. They were in the swap meet just a couple spots down, and I think they got something from me yesterday and picked up a card, and we ended up talking for a while, and really cool guys. So if you're watching this, thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate you. It's nice meeting you. So we did good, guys. We sold most of the sheet metal. The only thing I have left is the 2-inch wider rear fenders for the Thing and the windshield for the Super Beetle. Everything else sold except for the frame. The frame didn't sell. That's okay. We've been talking. I think what we're going to do is try to find a body, either a coupe or a convertible, and get it on that frame that we have and just, you know, do that. I think we might do that. Unless somebody wants it. If you want it, hit me up, brownsrodandcustom@gmail.com, and we can talk about that. But some cool things happened while we were at Bug Jam. Let me show you what we got here. So, 44. Okay, this is my dad's 1944 two-door sedan, deluxe, that we've been working on for, off and on for 5 years. And it's pretty much ready to paint. We've got it running great. There's no real issues with it mechanically at this point. But one of the big problems we have is, you know, we bought these rims and tires, right? Basically just rollers to roll it around a garage. You know, we didn't want to put anything nice on it because we were going to kill it. Priming and doing all the things we've been doing. But now that we've got the car running and driving, the tires on these rims are just terrible. They're completely dry rotted. This one here actually leaks, fix-a-flat constantly. So to the point where we're kind of nervous to drive this any distance over probably around the block, right? And we're definitely nervous to take it up to any speed over probably 30, 40 miles an hour, right? And they don't really hold air that well and so on. So it's time to put wheels and tires on this. So last year at the Turkey Run, we purchased the American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels for the car. I kind of got it mocked up here just so you can kind of see it. So what we did is we've got 15x7s in the front. We have 17x8s in the rear, okay? And so then when the tires came in over the weekend here, we ordered those and for Christmas for my dad, and they came in. So these are the tires. It's two of them here, it's not one. And there's the rims that are going to go on the back. And here's the rim and tire for the front. So the front is a 15x7 with a, where did it go? 185/60 R15. Okay? So what that means is we have a 180/55 R15 currently on the front with the rollers. Okay? Now, we wanted to take the car up just a tick. Not a lot, just a tick. So we went up one size in tire height. So that's why this tire is just a tick taller. But the same size wheel, it's going to fit beautifully. No concerns with that. So that's the front. The rear's 17x7 Torque Thrust 2 with, where is it? 235/55 R17s. Okay. Now these tires from the ground to here are 27 inches tall, which is the exact same as the tire that's on it right now with the roller rims. So I think we're going to be perfect there. Now what's going to happen here is tomorrow morning, Big Ron's going to take these up to the tire store and see if they'll mount and balance them for us. and then he's going to bring it back. He's going to put them on the car. So tomorrow, be looking out for a pretty cool video where we actually get to put new shoes on the 40 Ford. And that is super exciting because this is the keeper, okay? Without a doubt, this is the keeper. And we're just slowly but surely dialing this baby in mechanically and everything else. This is definitely the car we've spent the most money on mechanically, and kind of went down a more, not radical road, but a more high performance road than we normally do, right? You got the 350 with the double hump heads. You know, it's like 350 horse, probably 400 torque, something like that. With the turbo 350 with a shift kit. And then in the back, you've got an 8-inch Ford rear end with a 355 gear with an Eaton True Track gear-driven posi. New drive shaft, everything's new. It's got TCI rear suspension. It's got Mustang 2 in the front with the drop spindles and everything. You got drop spindles, right?
Yes.
Yeah, with 2-inch drop spindles. And it rides amazing. It would be interesting to see how it rides over 40 miles an hour due to the tires. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have all this on, and there won't be any issues there. And you'll be able to see this like that. So that's exciting. Something else that happened here. As many of you know, the windshield on the 40 Ford, see if I can show you without the glare, has a gigantic crack in it right there. Okay, it cracked. Now this is a one-piece windshield. Now 40 Ford from the factory had a two-piece windshield, and right in the middle it had a bar, metal bar. Okay, so what we did is we decided we're going to go back to a factory-style two-piece windshield, and that came in today. So we have the windshield with a new rubber seal. So we're going to be putting that in hopefully this week at some point. Well, maybe not this week. We want to jam this in and then put the windshield in. So before Thanksgiving, it'll have the windshield in it. Tomorrow for sure, as long as there's no issues at the tire store, we'll have the rims and tires on it, which would be amazing. And the only other thing that we're going to be doing here soon, we don't have it yet, but we're going to be ordering it with the Black Friday sales and everything. We're going to put an Edelbrock AVS 2 650 CFM carburetor on here. I found a kit from Speedway. It's got the shiny fuel line and all that and everything with the banjo fitting and whatnot for an Edelbrock. Currently we have a Holley Street Avenger 675. It's got a little bit of a stumble. It's not our bread and butter Holleys. We don't have a lot of luck with them so far. So we do know Edelbrocks quite well, and we like them. So what we're going to end up doing is swapping the Holley for an Edelbrock. Should be a pretty simple swap since we have an Edelbrock intake manifold. And we're just looking for reliable, as reliable as we can possibly make this car, so we can cruise the car shows, the turkey run, all those things without worrying about it. So that's happening. And then so that's going to be my Christmas present, the carburetor, from everybody. I'm just collectively telling people I want a carburetor. And then Ron found some, I don't know where they're at the moment, but we found some wiper arms for this, windshield wiper arms. So for those of you that don't know, the wiper system on this is actually out of a Volkswagen Beetle, right? Super Beetle. Ron, we've had Super Beetles here for a while, and he took the wiper system out of one we had, and it actually fit pretty good, so he made this work. So now we have good wiper arms, and then we can get wiper blades and paint them up, and they'll probably be black, painted black, and be on here. So we don't want to like chrome wipers on here that take away from the meanness and the look of the car. It needs to just kind of blend in and be there, but not be a distraction, right? So one day, and a pipe dream of mine is to flame this car like our Model A's we had. We shall see. That's still jury's out, but where we're at now is we need running board covers. I need to order those at some point, probably around first of the year. And really, we have the paint, we have the clear, we've got the primer, we've got everything to paint this car. It's here. I think we just need to do it. So maybe when Don's is done, maybe we'll think about pulling this in and just doing the couple weeks of body work to it, and just blocking it down, getting it dialed in a little better, and then getting this thing painted black. It's going, we're using European clear, right? On this one? It's a better clear. We're using a way better clear than we put on like the Thing or Don's car or anything like that. It's way more expensive anyway. I don't know if it's better, but it's more expensive. And jury's out, we'll let you know. But and we got the higher end paint for it and everything. So we've been collecting for this for a while now. But really excited to see it tomorrow with the new shoes on it. That's exciting. I will bring you guys that as we do it. And I probably won't get a video of it at the tire store or any of that. I got to take Megan to work in the morning, and then I got to take the Corolla to the dealership. It's got a recall on it. I need to get an oil change in it, so that's at 10:45. So yeah, but somewhere around noon, I should have something for you, and we'll get this out to you guys. I'll probably do a short, kind of a teaser kind of thing, and then we'll have a video on it tonight or tomorrow night. So. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this. Thought it was kind of cool. Kind of give you a heads up on Bug Jam, and really liked it. It was cool. We my wife Megan had a bunch of we have business cards, and we also have stickers with our logo on it and magnets. And one of the magnets is actually a picture of the engine of the Volkswagen Thing, and we had them out on our tables just for free for people to grab. I can't tell you how many. I think we probably passed out at least 100, maybe 200 business cards. Stickers were going like crazy. We're picking up subscribers on YouTube. It's people were coming up to us, like they would take a business card on Saturday, and then they came up to us on Sunday like, "Oh my God, I didn't realize that's who you guys are. That's so cool." You know, I mean, it's really fun. So thanks for the support, guys. We really appreciate it. It really helps keep us going, confidence boost that we're doing the right thing here, and that you guys actually like what we're doing. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it, and really liked meeting all of you, and appreciate you stopping by. So I'm going to call it a night here, and tomorrow we'll be back with wheels, and we'll be back on Don's car tomorrow as well, the 57, and getting the hood lined up and doing all that kind of thing. So stay tuned, whole lot more coming, and yeah, 44 gets new shoes. Have a good night, guys.